Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this new video, I'll show you how to create a QR code using Canva. So to start, open Canva and your project. Then navigate to apps on the left hand side and go ahead and search for QR code. Choose the Canva option and open it. Enter the URL you want the QR code to direct to, like your YouTube channel link. Customize the QR code's appearance by adjusting settings like background color and margin. Once customized, click Generate Code to create the QR code. Position it where you want it in your project. For clarity, you can add an icon, like the YouTube logo, and that's how simple and easy you can make a QR code using Canva. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.